Before you spend your money on FlexiLeaf, you need to hear this because the marketing sounds impressive, but the actual evidence tells a more careful story. FlexiLeaf is promoted as an advanced joint and nerve breakthrough supplement that claims to restore mobility, reduce nerve discomfort, improve circulation, and eliminate stiffness and tingling, which are very strong promises for a single product. Looking closely at the formula, it contains familiar ingredients like magnesium, turmeric, alpha-lipoic acid, and coqtan, all commonly found in many affordable over-the-counter supplements and known mainly for general wellness and antioxidant support rather than direct nerve repair or arthritis reversal. There are currently no published clinical trials specifically on FlexiLeaf itself, which means the finished product has not been scientifically tested to prove the bold outcome claims made in its advertising. Another concern is that the official site does not clearly disclose exact ingredient dosages, making it difficult to evaluate whether the formula is strong enough to match the benefits being suggested. Some of the testimonials and breakthrough-style medical language also appear overly promotional, and the way FDA references are presented can give an approval impression that supplements like this typically do not receive. That said, the ingredients are not unusual or inherently harmful for most healthy adults, and some users may experience mild support benefits similar to other basic joint and nerve health supplements, but expecting dramatic recovery or regeneration results would not be realistic based on current evidence. The bottom line result is that FlexiLeaf looks more like a standard nutrient blend package with aggressive marketing rather than a proven medical solution. So decisions should be based on facts, ingredient transparency, and realistic expectations rather than hype alone.